all my computer problems sorted out and had to stop suddenly. So inside my bracket, I've got x minus a half squared and then minus a quarter. Please note that that's always going to be positive. If you're going to square, so you're busy squaring the 1, then you're going to get 1. If you're going to square the 2, you're going to get 4. And if every time you square a negative, you're going to get a positive. So that will be positive, but of course this sign will still be negative. Okay, so we are now here. Okay, so we have taken out the k. We got left x squared minus x. Half of the coefficient of x is negative a half, and now we're here. So I am going to, I think, just divide both sides by k straight away. Divide that side by k, divide that side by k. That leaves me with x minus a half squared minus a quarter equals to 2 over k. Then I'm going to go x minus a half squared is equal to 2 over k plus a quarter. You would not leave two separate fractions. You're always going to make this into one fraction. And I think I may as well do that before I get rid of the square. So I've got x minus a half squared is equal to 4k, multiplying the first one by the 4, multiplying the second one by the k. Okay? And now we're going to do square root of this one and square root of that one. I'm going to go up here. So I've got x minus a half is equal to the square root of 8 plus k over 4k. So that's not very helpful. It's actually a slightly unexpected answer, which sometimes suggests there's something wrong. So I'm just going to check through and do not see any issues. Looks fine to me. Okay, so yeah, looks like it's fine. So then x is going to equal to the square root of 8 plus k over 4k plus a half. And that, because it's under the square root sign, I would just leave it. I'm just going to go back and check because that does look dodgy. And I'm going to do it the other way quickly, and I should get exactly the same answer. If I say k times x minus a half squared minus k over 4 equals 2, then I'll have k x minus a half squared is equal to 2 plus k over 4, which is k x minus a half squared is equal to 4, and then that's 8 plus k, and then divide by both sides by k, and we are back where we were before. So that does appear to be it. It's a bit of a dodgy question, and we'll just end like that. I don't think there's any point in square rooting just the 4 at the bottom there. So I'm just going to end it. Oh, and I should have put a plus and a minus as usual. I hope this is helpful.